How much does an air source heat pump cost? When it comes to the cost of installing an air source heat pump, you're looking typically between anything from £12,500 to around £25,000, depending on the size of your home. If you're eligible for the bus grant, this will save you an additional £7,500. So what affects the cost? Here are a few big examples for you. An air source heat pump location and the hot water cylinder location will make a big difference. The brand and the quality of the products that you're going to be using, the number of radiators and the pipework upgrades, the base, the drainage and the electrical requirements will also have a factor of cost. It really does depend on your property. Ultimately, it's really important you speak to an industry professional, not a salesman. Good news, there's no VAT on heat pump installations. Unlike traditional systems where the VAT is 20%. Here's a money-saving tip. The 0% VAT is related to all items that's part of the heat pump installation. So if you're thinking about adding additional radiators, underfloor heating, then now is the time to make sure that you're fitting them, because this will save you a good chunk of money when you come to the end bill. Now let's talk grants. The most common used with an air source heat pump installation is the BUS grant, the BUS grant, which means Boiler Upgrade Scheme. The only way you won't get this is if you previously had a grant like an RHI. Full eligibility details, head to the Ofgem website and you can collect more information from there. Additionally, there are other grants available, like the Eco4 grant for low income homes. So if you think you might qualify, it's worth looking into this.